This is Mrs. Dawson. Business. Eastern Sales Company has 3 locations in New York. The matrices below show the average daily wages and sales of all of the representatives. Express the average wages and sales for the entire company for a 5-day week. Buffalo, wages $800, $1,200, $3,200. Sales, $185,000, $210,000, $260,000. Albany, entry wages $800, assistant wages $1,300, associate wages $3,000. Entry sales $195,000, assistant sales $220,000, associate sales $265,000. Scranton, entry wages $1,000, assistant wages $1,500, associate wages $1,800. Entry sales $110,000, assistant sales $182,000, associate sales $205,000. To calculate the 5-day sales for the entire company, each matrix will need to be multiplied by 5. So we will take 5, and I'm going to call the Buffalo matrix B, plus 5, and we'll call Albany matrix A, and 5 times Scranton, which I'll call matrix S. Now, using the distributive property, you can see that that would be the same thing as multiplying 5 by the sum of each one of these matrices. So, what we'll do is find the sum of these 3 matrices by adding the corresponding elements. So 800, 800, and 1,000 is $1,600 plus 1,000, $2,600. The wages for the assistant would be $1,200 plus $1,300 plus $1,500, and that is $4,000. The total wages for the associate, $3,200 plus $3,000 plus $1,800 will be $8,000. The sales entry, $185,000 plus $195,000 plus $110,000 is $490,000. The sales for the assistant, the sum of $210,000, $220,000, and $182,000 is $612,000. And then the sum of the sales for the associate, $260,000 plus $265,000 plus $205,000 is $730,000. What you see right here is just the sum for one day. Now we're interested in the 5-day week. So at this point we'll multiply by 5 and multiply each one of these elements by 5. 5 times 2,600 is 13,000. 5 times 4,000 is 20,000. 5 times 8,000 is 40,000. 5 times 490,000, $2,450,000. 5 times 612,000, 3,060,000. And 5 times 730,000, 3,650,000. So the final matrix indicates the average weekly sales and wages for all of the representatives of the company. So this is the entire company with all 3 cities, where we can see the entry wages are $13,000, the assistant wages $20,000, the associate wages $40,000, the entry sales $2,450,000, the assistant sales $3,060,000, and the associate sales $3,650,000.